Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to remove filter in TikTok. So let's get started. At first we need to know that if we have already posted a video in TikTok, we cannot remove the filter. But if we are just editing the video or photo and we have added the filter, we can change it back to normal and we can remove the filter. And if you have also added in draft already, we can change the filter too. So let's try that. We need to go to the TikTok app first and let's click on this plus icon to add the video or the photo. So let's click on this upload. Now you can choose any of your photo or video. Let's go for this one and click on next. Before removing, we need to add the filter, so let's add any filter here. Now if you want to change this filter back to normal or remove the filter, we can click on this filter again and click on this circle with cross mark. So let's click on this. So this is back to normal now. But if you have already saved it in draft, so let's do this again. Add a filter and click on next and click on draft. So it is saved in draft. Let's go into draft. So in this, if you want to change it again, we need to go to the filter again and now again click on this circle with the cross. So this is it. So this is how we can remove filter in TikTok. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.